How many of you out there seem a little clumsy and uncoordinated? We've got a great exercise coming up. Hi Revivers, we're back. I've brought in Frank, my intern. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna get right into rolling. There's some spots and sequences that we're looking for. So Frank already has been taught this and is well versed, so go ahead and line your back, legs straight. There's a couple components I want you all to look at, and if you're looking at things, my eyes go here, and his abdomen, and how his pelvis is moving. And so we want everything to fold nicely. That's the key to a proper roll. So we want to roll, or what I tell people, make yourself smaller, is a thought process. So go ahead and, Frank, what I want you to do is you're gonna roll the right way, but everything should go in a synchronous timing manner. It's a good core building, timing, neuromuscular exercise. All right, go for it. Good. And when you have infants, a lot of times, it's always interesting to watch, but when they're learning to roll, they do this automatically. This is a proper sequencing. It's something that's ingrained, in our brain to do as we develop in our developmental cycle. But great core exercise is one of the early core exercise builders in our infancy. We often lose it because of poor postures, habits, and dysfunctions. There you go. So if you watch Frank, he's doing good. He's turning his head, his eyes are going that way, his shoulder is going towards this line, and his pelvis is going towards this line. Good job. And everything should look from here to here, look like it's going smaller. Good. Great. Frank, why don't you come this way? And you're gonna roll. It's good core exercise, right, Frank? Right. You feel your stomach? Now this side, he's got a little bit of dysfunction, and he hikes his head. It's not timed perfectly. Now he just fixed it, but if you go back in the video, he lifted his head, nothing happened here, and his knees and hips were coming towards me. But go ahead, everything's tightened and rolling this way. Good, and this is the proper roll. You want to get things going. You want to, like I said, everything's got to be locked in, synced up, and therefore translates into a better walk, better coordination, and timing over time. Great. And that's it. All right, so we're back from rolling. Hopefully you see that there's different components that really can go into a very efficient roll. And when you can link up those three things, your head and neck, your shoulder blade, your pelvis, it's nice that we can time it and sequence it together. Make sure this is a safe exercise for you and it's the right exercise. Check with your healthcare provider. If you like what we're doing, you can always leave a like, subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, you can also leave it in the comment box, but you can email us at rehabandrevivemedia@gmail.com. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.